Bro, who is this guy? Is he famous or something? Hey, are you famous or something?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Hey.
Not yet. I'm on my way there.
Hey.
On my way there.
Hey, you have a good one.
Hey, you too. Chat, short for chatters.
Chat short for chatters. What's up? This is something different. I've never done this before, but we're at Buc-ee's at 1 in the morning with Jose. It's crazy. And he vlogging.
Bro, I told my girl I was sleeping. Hope she don't see this, bro. If you do, I'm sorry.
We're not gonna tell.
Just cut it out. Cut that part out.
Thank you so. Assalamu alaikum all of that.
Hey, you cannot congratulate about whiskey and say assalamu alaikum. Ooh.
Smack him then. Do something about it.
He's out there disrespecting you.
Alright. We here. Buc-ee's.
Chat, we have made it to Florida. Mukbang.
We're in the middle of Alaska.
We're in the middle of Everglades.
We here, Buc-ee's. You know. Well, here to see what we're finna, what we're not, and hopefully take some shoes home.
Let's do it. So, tell me about your origin.
You know, growing up.
That's enough yapping.
We got the brisket.
It don't even, yeah.
Can't forget the bev. Can't forget the bev. Oh, look, if you put it right here, it picks it up on both. Dang, that's dope.
Genius.
Some chips. It is what it is.
That don't look good. Cheers, mate.
Take a bite. First time trying Buc-ee's. That's pretty good.
First time at Buc-ee's. What do you think, Brian?
You know, we don't have this back home. And taking like your first bite out of this makes you feel at home. You know what I'm saying? It makes you feel like you're with family. You know what I'm saying? Those weekend barbecues. You know, stuff like that. I didn't grow up eating this stuff though. I grew up on like tacos.
With that being said, what will you rate that out of 10? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Definitely 9. 9.2. 9.2 out of 10. You know, really good sandwich. But, you know, it's not a 10 because simply you cannot get to a 10 unless it's made out of scratch, from scratch. So, you know, we got the bun. Typical bun from Walmart, you know. They could have gone with a better bun, but, you know, it is what it is. They got to lower on cost. And for that, the score is lower. But the brisket is really good. What about you? What you rate that?
Me, I would give this a solid 8, 8.5.
That's reasonable.
Same thing, the wrap on it, the tortilla. It could be better. It is pretty soft. It seems like it's a little bit too soft for my liking. So that's the reason why I went with the with the 8 because overall the quality of the meat, the cheese, pretty good. But just because of the tortilla, that it brings the score down. So
Yeah.
but overall, can't complain for the first time having Buc-ees.
Pretty damn good.
Mm-hmm. How about them cheese puffs?
And cheese puffs are banging.
I have to try one of them.
Go ahead. Those get a big boom. Boom, boom. You know what I'm talking about? 3 big booms. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom!
Oh, your cousin just passed away? Oh, I'm sorry, man. He gets 5 big booms. Boom, 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 boom.
Bro.
Sorry to hear that.
And then the other guy where he thinks they're sending him money, but it's just people.
Bro, that's fucked up. I'll be doing that sometimes, though.
Bruh. Bro was flabbergasted.
Dang, he was so thankful, too, but come on.
You gotta be smarter than that.
Buc-ees, man, go give it a try, guys. If you haven't tried Buc-ees, if you don't live around Buc-ees, I recommend the drive. Drive to it is worth it, in my opinion.
Try it at least once in your lifetime, guys. Boom!
It's really solid.
Mm-hmm. Pretty good, pretty good.
It's banging. The whole channel just turns into a food eating channel. Hey,
It blows up.
that would be dope, though.
Mm-hmm.
We can go to different countries.
Yeah,
and
we
try
traveled,
shit, bro.
yeah.
Oh my days. If this video gets to 10 likes, we'll go to China and try real authentic Chinese food.
Real authentic dog.
And then we'll go to Peru and try real authentic rat or hamster.
And then we gotta go to India. Nah.
Real authentic feet.
Oh, bruh. Nah.
That's the best.
I'm so thankful I wasn't born there, bro.
We gotta go to Lithuania.
For the food?
Nah. For the women. And for the food, of course, for the channel. But
mainly for the women. But
and for you guys.
mostly for the women.
if this video gets 5 likes, if this video gets 5 likes, we'll try every single pizza ever in one video.
Ever. 5.
We just get it delivered at the same spot. Everybody
And they start scrapping.
just start scrapping those. So that'd be fire, bro.
It'll be a dope ass video. Winner takes all the tips.
Hey, let us know.
Pretty good for the first time.
That's banging.
Mm-hmm.
Overall, I give the Buc-ee's experience a 9.5 out of 10. What do you think?
I think that's a fair score, and I'd probably say the same thing. Yep. 9.5.
9.5. Simply because this isn't just your regular gas station.
Mm-mm.
Like, it's like an exotic gas station. Think about 7-Eleven, but bigger.
Bigger and better.
Bigger and better and fresh.
They say bigger is not always better, but in this case it is.
They say that?
I don't know, I just thought it sounded cool. It sounded cool in my head. Chat. Like this video if you liked it.
Like the video.
And if you follow us, don't forget to give us a follow. Wait.
That was banging.
Made with
This is
real meat?
Spicy. And fuck McDonald's.
Guys, if this video gets 5 likes, we will try everything on the McDonald's menu. Including the fish.
Guys, if this video gets 1 like, we'll get some chicken wings.
Can't go wrong with some chicken wings though.
You really can't.
There's no way.
You
Bro,
want blue
who
cheese?
even eats blue cheese, bro? I've never met a person that said, "Oh, I'm gonna eat some wings with blue cheese."
Chat, if this video gets 20 likes, we'll try blue cheese.
We have to eat 10 wings with blue cheese.
With blue cheese. Alright guys, yeah, that was the Buc-ee's mukbang. Thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned. 5 likes. And what was it? I forgot. Damn, I forgot. But anyways, 5 likes and we'll do whatever I said before.
Yes.
But yeah, that was the Buc-ee's mukbang. Thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for the next one. Later.